Japan has long been known as a land of innovation, with a vibrant economy that is constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Today, the country's job market is booming, offering exciting opportunities for individuals who are looking to take their careers to the next level. One of the key factors that sets Japan apart from other countries is its unique work culture. Unlike many Western nations, Japanese companies place a great deal of emphasis on teamwork and collaboration. This means that employees are encouraged to work together to solve problems and achieve common goals. Another hallmark of Japan's work culture is its focus on efficiency and productivity. Japanese workers are known for their hard work ethic and dedication to getting things done right the first time. This emphasis on excellence has helped Japan become a world leader in industries such as automotive manufacturing, electronics, and robotics. But it's not just traditional industries that are thriving in Japan. The country's cutting-edge technology industry is also booming, with companies like Sony, Toshiba, and Toyota leading the charge in areas such as artificial intelligence, AI, virtual reality, VR, and self-driving cars. For individuals who are interested in pursuing a career in Japan's technology industry, there are many exciting opportunities available. Whether you're passionate about developing new software applications or designing advanced robotic systems, there is no shortage of cutting-edge projects to work on. Another advantage of working in Japan's technology industry is the chance to collaborate with some of the world's brightest minds. Many companies in Japan have close ties with universities and research institutions, allowing employees to stay at the forefront of new developments in their field. Of course, one of the biggest challenges facing individuals looking to work in Japan is navigating the country's complex job market. With so many different industries and companies competing for talent, it can be difficult to know where to start your search. This is where professional networking can be especially valuable. By connecting with like-minded professionals who share your interests and aspirations, you can gain valuable insights into the job market and uncover new opportunities that you may not have otherwise known about. Another important factor to consider when looking for a job in Japan is language proficiency. While many companies are actively recruiting non-Japanese speakers for their global teams, having at least some basic knowledge of Japanese language and culture can greatly enhance your chances of success. Whether you're just starting out in your career or looking for a new challenge, Japan's booming job market offers exciting opportunities for individuals who are willing to take on new challenges and push the boundaries of what is possible. With its unique work culture, cutting-edge technology industry, and vibrant economy, there has never been a better time to explore everything that this fascinating country has to offer. Are you a talented, ambitious individual looking to take your career to the next level? Do you dream of living and working in one of the world's most innovative and exciting countries? Look no further than Japan. As one of the fastest-growing economies in Asia, Japan offers a wealth of opportunities for foreigners looking to make their mark in the professional world. In this video, we'll explore Japan's top job benefits and perks, as well as its most innovative companies that welcome foreign talent. Innovation is at the heart of Japanese culture, and this is reflected in the many cutting-edge businesses that call the country home. From tech startups to established multinationals, Japan has an impressive array of companies that value creative thinking and entrepreneurial spirit. What's more, many of these businesses are actively seeking foreign talent to help them expand globally and stay ahead of the curve. At companies like SoftBank, Rakuten, and Line, employees have the opportunity to work on groundbreaking projects that shape the future of industries like telecommunications, e-commerce, and social media. These companies also offer generous benefits packages and ample opportunities for career advancement. Plus, with English being widely spoken in many Japanese workplaces, foreign employees can feel confident communicating effectively with colleagues and clients. In addition to working for some of the most innovative companies in the world, foreigners who choose to work in Japan can enjoy a range of unique job benefits and perks. Here are just a few examples. Stable employment. Japanese companies are known for their emphasis on job security. With lifetime employment contracts often available at large corporations like Toyota or Sony, employees can feel secure in their careers while enjoying competitive salaries. Trainings. Many Japanese businesses invest heavily in employee training programs. This means that new hires can expect extensive onboarding processes that provide them with all the resources they need to succeed in their role. Relocation assistance. For those moving to Japan from abroad, many companies offer relocation assistance. This can include help with finding housing, language lessons, and even assistance with obtaining a visa. Generous paid time off. Japan has some of the most generous vacation policies in the world. Full-time employees are often entitled to several weeks of paid vacation per year, as well as public holidays and sick leave. Work-life balance. While Japan is known for its diligent work ethic, many companies also prioritize work-life balance for their employees. This can include flexible schedules, remote work options, and even on-site childcare facilities. Japan is known for its cutting-edge technology, cultural richness, and unique traditions. The country is a hub of innovation, providing countless opportunities for individuals seeking exciting career paths. As Japan continues to advance technologically and economically, more and more companies are seeking talented individuals to help drive their success. Whether you are a recent graduate or an experienced professional, Japan offers a wealth of career options to suit your interests and skills. Here are some of the most exciting career paths available in Japan today. 1. Technology. Japan is a leader in technology and innovation. From electronics to robotics, Japan is home to some of the most innovative companies in the world. If you have a background in technology, there are many exciting opportunities available for you in Japan. Whether you're interested in working for large corporations like Sony or Hitachi or startups like SoftBank Robotics, there's no shortage of opportunities for tech-savvy individuals in Japan. 2. Healthcare. Japan has one of the most advanced healthcare systems in the world. With an aging population and a growing demand for healthcare services, there are many opportunities available for healthcare professionals in Japan. From doctors and nurses to researchers and administrators, there are countless careers available in the healthcare industry in Japan. Whether you're interested in working for hospitals or research institutes or starting your own practice, there's no shortage of opportunities available. 3. Education. Japan places a high value on education and has one of the most respected educational systems in the world. With a growing number of international students coming to study in Japan each year, there are many opportunities available for individuals interested in teaching English as a second language, ESL, or working as an academic advisor. In addition to teaching positions, there are also many opportunities available for individuals interested in curriculum development, textbook writing, and educational technology. 4. Finance. Japan is one of the largest financial markets in the world, with Tokyo being one of the top financial centers. With a strong economy and a stable financial system, there are many opportunities available for individuals interested in finance and accounting. From investment banking to corporate finance and accounting, there are many career paths available in the finance industry in Japan. 5. Hospitality and tourism. Japan is a popular destination for tourists from around the world. With a growing number of tourists coming to Japan each year, there are many opportunities available for individuals interested in working in the hospitality and tourism industry. From hotels and restaurants to tour guide services and travel agencies, there are countless careers available in the hospitality and tourism industry in Japan. 6. Gaming. Japan is known for its gaming industry, with some of the most popular gaming companies based in Japan. If you have an interest in gaming or technology, there are many opportunities available for individuals interested in working in the gaming industry in Japan. From game design to programming to marketing and sales, there are numerous career paths available within the gaming industry in Japan. 7. Fashion. Japan is known for its unique fashion style, with many popular brands based in Japan. If you have an interest in fashion or design, there are many opportunities available for individuals interested in working within the fashion industry in Japan. From fashion design to marketing to sales, there are numerous career paths available within the fashion industry in Japan.